Hello students, my name is Gagandeep Singh and today we will do question number 3 of exercise 13.2 class 9. In this question a cylindrical pipe is given whose height is 77 centimeter and whose outer diameter is 4.4 centimeter and inner diameter is 4 centimeter. So outer radius will be diameter upon 2.2 centimeter and inner radius will be diameter upon 2 centimeter. So outer radius is 2.2 centimeter and inner radius is 2 centimeter. In this question 3 parts are there. In first part we have to find inner curved surface area. For example, I have taken piece of this cylindrical pipe. You can see that it is hollow from inside. So what is its outer surface area? The surface area from outside is known as outer surface area and surface area from inner side is known as inner surface area. So we have to find in first part inner CSA. So inner CSA of pipe formula is 2 pi RH. I will write Ri for inner radius. Keep values in formulas. 2 into 22 by 7. Inner radius is 2 centimeter and height of pipe is 77 centimeter. 11 sevens are 77 and product of this is 968 centimeter square. So inner CSA of pipe is 968 centimeter square. Now for outer CSA of pipe we will write formula 2 pi RH and outer radius we will consider, so I write RO 22 by 7, outer radius is 2.2 centimeter and height is 77. 11 sevens are 77 and its product is 1064.8 centimeter square. So outer CSA of pipe is 1064.8 centimeter square. Third part, we have to find its total surface area. For this we have to find its area of top and area of base also. Its area of top and base are in the shape of ring. For example, you can see this in this piece. This area which I am shading is area of top, which is in the shape of ring, like this. So inner radius and outer radius in this ring. We can see that in this figure 2 circles are there, inner circle and outer circle. To find area of ring, we have to subtract area of smaller circle from area of this larger circle. So area of ring, outer circle, its area is pi r square, radius will be outer, and area of inner circle is pi r square, radius will be inner, its subtraction will represent this shaded area. So top and base of pipe are in the shape of ring and area of ring is pi r square minus pi r square. There will be outer radius and there will be inner radius. Pi we can take common, our outer square minus our inner square, and base and top are in the same shape, so we can write twice also. Now keep values in formula. Now values are pi is 22 by 7 and outer radius is 2.2 and inner radius is 2. 2 into 22 by 7. Inside the bracket we can apply ID a square minus b square, which is a plus b and a minus b. 2 into 22 by 7. 2.2 plus 2 will be 4.2 and 2.2 minus 2 is 0.2. You can remove decimal, 10 will be there in denominator, 7 6 are 42, and after simplification its value will be 5.28 centimeter square. So total surface area of pipe will be inner CSA plus outer CSA plus area of top and base. Inner CSA we have calculated is 968 centimeter square. Outer CSA is 1064.8 plus area of top and base is 5.28 centimeter square, and total of this is 2038.08 centimeter square.